Pour apple cider vinegar to your feet and watch what happens next. Today, we are giving our feet some much-needed love with a super simple, deeply relaxing DIY foot soak. If you're on your feet all day, or just want a little self-care moment at home, you have to try this. We're starting out with a clean basin, and we're going to use this as our base to mix up some magic. First things first, we're pouring in some lukewarm water. You don't want it boiling hot, just a comfortable, cozy temperature that feels soothing the second your toes hit the water. Make sure you pour enough to fully submerge your feet so they can get the maximum benefits of what we're about to add next. Next up, we are bringing out the star of the show, apple cider vinegar. I'm using standard old-style ACV here. Apple cider vinegar is incredible for a foot soak because it has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's perfect for neutralizing odors, softening stubborn calluses, and gently exfoliating rough skin. Just pour a generous splash right into the water. To balance out the acidity of the vinegar and add some intense moisture, we're adding a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that deeply hydrate dry, cracked heels. It leaves your skin feeling incredibly silky smooth, so you get the benefits of a spa-grade moisturizer while you just sit back and relax. The final ingredient is a good shake of iodized salt. Salt is fantastic for drawing out impurities, reducing inflammation, and soothing tired, achy muscles after a long day. It also helps to gently cleanse the skin. Just add a healthy amount right into the mixture. Now we just take our hand and give it a really good stir. You want to make sure the salt completely dissolves and that the olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and water are beautifully blended together. Look at that. Our perfect, refreshing home spa blend is officially ready to go. And now for the best part. Slowly lower your feet right into the basin. Ah, instant relief. The combination of the warm water, the softening vinegar, the hydrating olive oil, and the soothing salt feels absolutely amazing. Sit back, put on your favorite show, and let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Your feet will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to treat yourself today. Once your feet have thoroughly soaked and the water starts to cool down, gently lift them out and pat them dry with a clean, soft towel. Make sure to dry right between your toes. Since the skin and cuticles are beautifully softened, this is the perfect time to give yourself a quick foot massage, pushing back any cuticles, or using a pumice stone on your heels if you need a little extra exfoliation. Now, even though that olive oil did an amazing job hydrating, we want to lock all that goodness in. Slather on your favorite thick lotion, foot cream, or even a bit of pure shea butter while your skin is still damp. This ensures your heels stay perfectly smooth and prevents them from drying out later, especially after the clarifying effects of the apple cider vinegar. To finish things off, slide into a pair of cozy, clean cotton socks to keep that moisture sealed in while you relax for the rest of the night. And that is it. An easy, affordable spa day right from the comfort of your room. Try this once a week, and your feet will look and feel incredible. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.